welcome to today's lesson. In this course, I have been your tutor. We have been looking at simple pronunciations, and for that matter, in our previous lessons, we were looking at the vowel letters and their correct sounds. So we started with the letter A, as we will say ah, and then you've made a lot of emphasis on this letter. So we're going to continue looking at another vowel letter, and this vowel letter, I'll introduce it to you, and then we start with today's lesson. In today's lesson, our main objectives is that by the end of the lesson, you, the learner, will be able to identify this vowel letter in words, and then you'll be able to make a simple word with it. And again, you will be able to make the correct sound of this vowel letter. So let's go for a short break. When you come back, we will continue with today's lesson. Now you are welcome back. Today, our lesson is basically on this vowel letter. Now let's quickly brush through the vowel letters, and then we talk about the specific one that we are going to treat today. We have A, as we say A. We have E, as we say E. We have I, as we say A. We have O, and then U. Now, the vowel letter among these that we are going to talk about today is A or I. So we are looking at this vowel letter I, and then the correct sound of it is A. So now let's quickly look at some example of words in their two-lettered word that have this A sound. I hope you are ready. Now let's start. We have I-S, and it's S. So you repeat after me. Say I-S, S. Very good. Now we have I-T, and it is it. So you say I-T, it. Very well. We have I-F, and it is if. So you say I-F, if. And finally, the very last example is I-N, in. Clap for yourself. You are doing a great job, so you keep it up. Now, you want to go over these two-lettered words that you form with this vowel letter. So you repeat after me. We have I-S, is. I-T, it. I-F, if. And then I-N, in. So you can hear clearly that in all the examples, you hear the A sound. I hope you get it correct. So from all the examples, you can hear A in all the words that you formed. So what you're going to do is that you form more of these words on your own whilst you are in the house. So your assignment is that form more of these examples making the A sound. I hope you can do it, and I trust you that you will do a great job. Now, in our next lesson, you will be forming three-lettered words which will make the A sound. So till we meet again, stay safe and study hard.